Welcome to another useful video. Today's video is going to cover the LED license plate bulb upgrade. Step 1 is going to consist of opening the trunk and locating the license plate bulbs. They're located on the bottom side of the trunk lid. And step 2 is basically going to be wrapping your tool with some electrical tape or some felt to make sure that you don't scratch the trunk or any surface around there. And step 3 is actually placing the tip of the screwdriver into the wedge on the left side of the light and applying pressure towards the right side of the vehicle. There's that tab right there that you want to depress in so that you can get the light out. Now these lights I found are very tightly and snugly fitted into that opening there, so you do have to put a lot of pressure on it. I did go underneath the light at one point to try to get some extra leverage, and that did help me. But once you know what you're doing, it's pretty easy to get them off. And once you have that one side done, the other side is exactly the same. Again, you're going to put pressure towards the right and remove the housing from the vehicle. And this is how they look like once you remove them. You can see the bulb is installed into that bulb holder right there. And step 4 will be pressing the two little tabs in on the side of the connector so you can remove the light from the electrical connector so that it's easier for you to change the light bulb. And step 5 is using a screwdriver or your fingers to pry the little tabs outwards so that you can go ahead and remove that bulb. You're going to remove that regular style bulb and replace it with a LED equivalent. And so once you use your tool, you can get it out, and that's how the housing looks. And here's a quick difference between the LED bulb, which is a canbus so it doesn't throw an error on the dash. That's very important. And here's going to be the regular bulb that we removed. And as you can see, there's quite a big difference between the two bulbs. The LED is just so much brighter and whiter. And now you're going to get your 36mm Festoon LED bulb and insert it into the housing with the LED segments facing down so that the light shines out through the plastic housing. And finally, once you've done that, you just need to test the lights to make sure they work and just reinstall them back. It's pretty simple, straightforward. This is a nice, quick upgrade. I was kind of tired of the yellow, dim license plate bulbs that I had. I noticed a lot of newer vehicles had LED versions, and I think the LED bulbs made a dramatic difference. You can see how much brighter and nicer they look. They basically match the xenon factory headlights that are on the Panamera standard. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, and have a great day.